DMV. We got 2 more days. Today we're gonna be linking up my boy KJ and a couple of his friends, and it's a car meet later. And I don't know what's going on after that, so we about to go do that. All right, it's been a lit week so far, and I've been having fun out here. They've been showing mad love. So I appreciate everybody. If y'all watching this video, I appreciate y'all support. But yeah, we outside. We're about to go find some stuff to do with KJ, and yeah. So we're gonna go have fun. All right. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and go follow me on Instagram if you haven't already. Let's get into it. It's gonna be another fire vlog. It's been lit vlogs all week, so let's get it. All right, y'all. We have arrived. It's KJ at 6. It's blacked out, murdered, and he's on dumps just like Clay is. And we spawned this in some C8s over here. You got 06. You just got the 06? How you like it so far? Fire? That's what's up, bro.
Great car.
Nah, they sound amazing too.
They do. I'm actually getting a new exhaust on that. Probably on like yeah, the ABO performance. It sounds so crazy.
Yeah. When we find a spot, I'll bring the camera back up. All right, guys, we made it to this little spot right here. There's so many mosquitoes. Actually, they're killing me. But we pulled up to that parking garage, and some guy that works there just kicked us out. They didn't tell us no reason why. He was just like, "Oh, you guys are coming up here all aggressive." I'm like, "Bro, our cars are just loud, bro. Like, come on now, relax." And he trying to get aggressive. I'm like, "Bro, listen, bro. I ain't from here, dude. I ain't one of these Maryland guys. Like, you ain't just finna be talking to me like you crazy. I'm not a tough guy, but you ain't finna talk to me like you crazy though, for real." So, but yeah, we came to this spot, pretty chill spot, and we'll see what happens next. That meet is pretty soon, so we'll go to the meet pretty soon, and Clay is coming back down here, so. Dang, bruh.
What the interior say?
I didn't realize that shit.
194? I thought I had the highest mileage, bro.
Getting a Euro?
Are these FE turbos? Yeah. Dang, bro. 194 is 194. Crazy.
Push your meth. The meth tanks, KJ knows. Same setup.
Did you fix all the meth shit?
Fix it all.
That's what's up.
So like the meth tank's right here.
Yeah.
Controller for the meth is right there. Sprays right pre-charge.
Here goes another DSG guy.
Yeah. Bro, 194 pulls like a freight train. Audi 4.0 is the most reliable platform in existence.
It's not the guy trying to tell you
otherwise. You saw the dashboard. You saw the dashboard. You saw the dashboard, bro.
194?
194, bro.
Y'all boys, y'all tripping. Every time I see a high mileage one, I'll be like, I'm good. I'm good.
Drive cap? Nah. Like, I bought this car at 60K.
I did too. Mine too.
60K.
Yeah, 60K. Yeah.
Bro. So honestly, bro, again, it was like a freight train, bro.
Dang, bro. Same DSG?
Same DSG. Stock engine, stock DSG, and it just pulls freight trains easily all day long.
Golly, bro.
All day long, bro. All day.
Yep, I keep trying to tell you. I don't know how many.
But anything else, bro.
I don't know how many people. Exactly. I don't know how many people I gotta keep showing y'all. It went off. 194, bro. Golly. 200K miles on his. Same DSG, same motor. See what I'm saying, bruh? I'm telling you, every time I see another example of these, I'm like, oh, I'm good. And then like in the back of my head, I'm just like, I'm not gonna launch it.
Does he launch it?
Yeah. I'm scared, bro. If you haven't noticed, we put up to the meet. Calm little meet, not too crazy. Bunch of Audis over here. Yeah, bunch of Audis over here. Look at this guy. Why is he in the car? You're spilling coolant everywhere, bro.
It's not me.
Get out the car, bro.
It's not me.
Get out the car.
It's not me.
Come socialize. You got this girl in this Subaru. That's pretty clean. And then we got an AMG GT and an S4 right here. This is also clean. Midnight metallic. Looks good. And the RCF. I love the RCFs actually. Blue guts. Dang. Blue steering wheel too. And we got this guy. This guy being extra. Said what? You said what?
Think they care if I park right there?
They open, buddy. You gotta. But yeah, so it's pretty chill. A couple BMWs pulling up. A couple Beamers pulling up. Other than that, not too much going on. It's a Chevy SS over here though. But not a Chevy SS. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Impala SS. Yeah, M4 CS right here. Tough. And that right there. Impala SS. Y'all know what movie that's from. With Ice Cube in it. Oh, that Mustang hard. It's a green Mustang just put up. But look at this. If you know, you know. Some Ford Giottos too. But super clean. I do want to get me like some type of old school though. I need to get some type of old school. This is something. Fox body, T body, anything. Yeah, that ain't clean, bro. This you?
Yeah.
That's what's up, bro. How you feel? You got the car out of the famous movie, bro.
Oh, it's cool. It's cool. Y'all like it more than me.
This ain't super clean though, bro. But yeah. So I guess they sending cars over here to park. It's a decent amount of cars though pulling up. When we first got here, everything was like dead. But I usually pull up late, and I put up like super on time this time. So, you know, first time for everything. But yeah, we out here. We see who else pulls up. See what else is going on. Hey, look at that.
I'm like, bro,
That's hard.
if I can't even make it to Florida.
Right.
What are we talking?
That's tough interior though. All right, guys, we have spawned into a crazy spot server.
Tyson's Corner, Virginia. I told him. Way to be. Come on.
Bro, who are you?
Who am I?
Who are you?
I post gym content.
Tell them who you are.
Who am I? My name is Kev.
Right.
Kev,
Right. We got
Audio on top of 4.0.
facts. We got a couple nice cars. 06 C7, 06 C8, C63, S7, S6, another S6, another S6 back there, and an S5 too. And it's an S8 over there too. So we got a bunch of clean cars. I'm getting edits. All right, we about to get a whole bunch of edits. Right?
Yes, sir.
All right, bet. I'm gonna give y'all edit too for YouTube, cause y'all know YouTube don't miss out. But we outside, okay? We outside. This spot tough.
Buddy's trying to buy an S6.
All right, guys. Big Clay is here. We about to go get something to eat. But this is how we ending off the night right here, man. All the boys is leaving. Got a little edit real quick. We're gonna see it on their Instagram and stuff. Super tough. Yeah. This is how we ending off the night. Everybody go get food, something to eat real quick, and then head back to the hotel. Tough day. Tomorrow we got another action-packed day. We're gonna see what goes on tomorrow. We gotta go get a detail from somebody, so I'm gonna put them in the next video. Make sure y'all stay tuned. And then it's a car meet, an Audi meet actually. So a lot of people supposed to be going to that, so that's gonna be lit. Clay has work,
But I do have a race at 11:30.
at 11:30. So we won't have a security guard all day tomorrow because he wanna have work.
Though.
Right.
I'm still putting in the work.
Right. He's supposed to be Wavy Kid Kev's security guard all week.
You know.
And now I gotta cut his pay for 2 days. All right. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, we gonna have fun, man. We've been having fun since we've been out here. Appreciate all the love and support y'all been showing. So we'll see what happens. See y'all in the next video. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. We out.